Still understanding the concept of calculating the cost of electrical energy, we're going to take this question, which says a house has 10 40 watts and 500 watt bulbs. How much will it cost the owner of the house to keep them lighting for 10 hours if the cost of a unit is 5 naira? So we'll quickly examine that. So we'll calculate the power demand for running all the bulbs. So for the first set of bulb, which is 40 watt bulb, I'll label them P1, that's the power demand. That will be P1 equals to 40 watts times, how many are there? There are 10 in number. 40 watts times 10. And that will give us 400 watts. And then power demand for the second set of bulbs, which is 100 watts each. So that will be 100 watts times 5. There are 5 of them in number. And that will give us 500 watts. That will give us 500 watts. So the total power demand, T or P subscript T, will be, you add this to 400 plus 500 equals to 900 watts. 900 watts. So the total power demand for running all these bulbs simultaneously is 900 watts. So now we are told that the time that in which you take to run it is 10 hours. This time we are not going to convert it to seconds, because when calculating cost of electrical energy, the standard is usually in kilowatts hour. So it will be in hour. The unit of time we use will be in hour. So we proceed. Now, they say the cost of 1 unit is 5 naira. What they mean by that is the cost C of 1 kilowatt hour. That's the cost for 1 kilowatt. A kilowatt hour. This unit is unit of electrical energy. Electrical energy E equals to what? Power times time. The kilo here is a prefix that represents 10 raised to power 3. And then here watts represent the power. R here represent the time. So this is the unit for electrical energy. So now we are told that if the cost of 1 unit is 5 naira, that means the cost of running 1 kilowatt hour is 5 naira. Naira is the unit is the Nigerian currency. Naira represents Nigerian currency, so it can be any currency. So now we have to calculate the cost for running all this. So what we are going to do now is to calculate the total energy consumption for running all these bulbs for 10 hours. And we know that energy, electrical energy, equals to what? Power times time. And then the total power demand here. The total power demand here is 900 watts times time, which is 10 hours, which equals to 9,000 watts hour. So that's the total energy consumption of running. The total energy consumption of all these bulbs is what? 9,000 watts hour. But the unit for calculating electrical energy with respect to cost or national grid is usually in kilowatt hour. So we are going to convert 9,000 watt hour to kilowatt hour. So we divide it by 1,000. And that will be give us what? 9 kilowatts hour. That will give us 9 kilowatts hour. So the electrical energy consumption of all these bulbs equals to 9 kilowatts hour. So now if the cost per unit is 5 naira, so the cost of running all the bulbs now will be 5 naira. That's 5 naira per kilowatt hour times 9 kilowatts hour. So kilowatt hour will cancel kilowatt hour. 9 times 5 is 45. So the cost of running all those bulbs will be 45 naira. So the cost of running all these bulbs for 10 hours will be 45 naira. Thank you.